Hello and welcome to my channel. Your support means a lot. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below to keep me motivated.
ITR equals income tax return, a form where you declare your income, deductions, and tax payable refundable to the income tax department. Filed annually for each financial year FY, assessed in the next assessment year AY. Example, FY 24-25, AY 2025-26. Think of ITR as a yearly report card of your income and tax. Who has to file ITR? Compulsory cases. You must file ITR if any of these apply. Income above basic exemption limit after deductions, new tax regime, default from FY 223-24 up to 3 lakh, no tax. Above limits, ITR required. Old tax regime if opted, up to 2.5 lakh, no tax. Senior citizens 60-80 years, 3 lakh. Super senior 80 plus, 5 lakh. If TDS deducted, e.g. salary, bank FD interest, property transactions. If you want to claim refund of excess tax deducted, if you have foreign income assets, if you deposited 1 crore in current account, if electricity bill 1 lakh in a year, if foreign travel 2 lakh in a year. If your income exceeds exemption before deductions, ADC, ADD, etc. If you're a company, firm, LLP, AOPOI, trust, etc., mandatory. In short, most salaried business, professional, and property owners end up filing ITR. Benefits of filing ITR. Even if not mandatory, filing ITR has big advantages. Claim refunds, if excess TDS deducted. Easy loan approval. Banks ask ITR for home, car, personal loans. Visa processing. Embassies often require past 2 to 3 years ITR. Carry forward losses. File on time to carry forward business capital losses. Avoid penalties, saves you from notices, fines, and interest. Proof of income, useful for financial planning, gov benefits, credit card applications. Legal compliance keeps you safe under law. Filing ITR is like keeping your tax records clean. Shashed ITR forms, which one to use? Form, who should you? ITR 1, resident individuals with income of 50 lakh from salary, one house property, other sources. ITR 2, individuals with capital gains, multiple houses, foreign assets, but no business income. ITR 3, individuals HUFs with business profession income. ITR 4, presumptive business profession income under 4480, 44A, 44AE. ITR 5, firms, LLPs, AOP, BO filing ITR 7. ITR 6, companies, except those claiming exemption under Sec 11. ITR 7, trusts, NGOs, political parties, etc., under Sec 39 4A, 4B, 4C, 4D. Choosing the correct form is very important, otherwise return may be treated as defective. Had due dates AY 2025-26, individuals non-audit 15th of Sept 2025, extended from 31st of July. Businesses requiring audit 31st of Oct 2025. Transfer pricing cases 30th of Nov 2025. Belated revised return 31st of Dec 2025. Updated return ITRU within 4 years from end of FY. How to file ITR step by step. Online, e-filing portal, incometax.gov.in. 1. Log in with PAN, go to e-file, file income tax return. 2. Select AY 2025-26. 3. Choose online filing. 4. Pick the correct ITR form. 5. Pre-filled data, salary, TDS, interest, appears, check and edit. 6. Add deductions, ADC, ADD, HRA, etc. 7. Pay balance tax if needed, self-assessment tax. 8. Submit E-Verify via Aadhaar OTP, net banking, or DSC. Offline utility method. 1. Download Excel Java utility for your form. 2. Fill details offline. 3. Generate JSON XML, upload on portal. 4. E-Verify. Penalties for late non-filing. Late fee, Sec 34F. 5,000 if income 5 lakhs. 1,000 if income / 5 lakh. Interest, Sec 234A, 1% per month on unpaid tax. Loss of benefits, cannot carry forward losses if not filed in time. Possible notice scrutiny by Income Tax Department. New rules and updates, AY 2025-26. Rebate under Sec 87A increased, no tax up to 12 lakh in new regime. Capital gain split reporting before and after July 2024. Asset liability disclosure threshold raised from 50 lakh income to 1 crore. Buyback of shares reporting changed. Equalization levy 6% abolished from April 2025. I've updated ITR forms now live ITR 1 to ITR 7. Quick example, salary income equals 9,000, deduction US ADC equals on 150,000, taxable equals 750,000. Tax, new regime, equals as per slab, TDS deducted equals 60,000, final calculation if TDS tax refund, else pay balance tax. In short, ITR equals annual income report to Govt, who files, anyone above exemption limit or with TDS refunds, foreign assets, high spends, benefits, refunds, loans, visas, compliance. Forms 7 types, ITR 1 to 7. Due dates 15 Sep, 31 Oct, 31 through Dec, depends on case. How to file, online via portal or offline utility. Penalties, late fee 1,000 to 5,000 plus interest. New rules, higher rebate, new forms, split capital gains, updated disclosures. Thank you. Keep supporting and share your opinions in the comments below.